Fáilte Gheibh bhuala, sé dó màghan alamaina thuram, agus fáilte go géalach idalteach in Australia. Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Amendola and welcome to Australia's Italian Gale. And today I'm going to break down the words to the chorus of the song mòr-bheanna, or to say that in Gaelic, Ha miadol a min jelly na fachlan rí Sèist den nóran mòr-bheanna. Min jelly is a bit of an uncommon phrase. I use that to mean break down or itemize. I think it's a useful phrase, and I'm gonna use it from now on, even if people don't understand it at first. Now, Clárach mi an oran and show for Scottish Rd Heidelberg. I recently recorded this song under the Heidelberg Rd Bridge, as I often do. And so the chorus is pretty easy. This is a very famous song and very beautiful, but haunting as well, actually. And now I've got it in E minor. So there's an E minor chord. The lyrics, I'm going to put the lyrics to the whole song as I performed it. There are more verses in the description, or the tuigeas, as it's called in Gaelic. And you can read along as I'm saying the lyrics to the chorus. And if you want the verses in future videos, do let me know. So, the lyrics to the chorus go, O he mina mòr-bheanna. He mina mòr-bheanna. And that means, O saw I the great mountains. And next comes, O he mina còrr-bheanna. And that means, O saw I the lofty mountains. And next comes, O he mina coireachan. And that means, O saw I the corries. And the last part goes, He mina sgoran cheò. And that means, saw I, or I saw, the peaks under the mist. So I'll say that all again without breaking, but slowly. O he mina mòr-bheanna. O he mina còrr-bheanna. O he mina coireachan. He mina sgoran cheò. Now, I'm just going to correct myself briefly, because I pronounced the he a bit too roughly. It's he, almost like you're saying Hugh, the name Hugh. All right. Now, I'll sing that line by line, and you can repeat after me. O he mina mòr-bheanna. And the next line is, O he mina còrr-bheanna. And the third line is, O he mina coireachan. And the third line is, He mina sgoran cheò. Well, there you go. Now, I'm going to sing that whole thing and try and sing it along with me. All right, here it goes. O mina mòr-bheanna, O mina còrr-bheanna, O mina coireachan, mina sgoran for cheò. And that's the Sèist, or the chorus to mina mòr-bheanna. Now, in the thumbnail, you might notice the title. It says mina mòr-bheanna. That's just an older title. I'm going with mina mòr-bheanna just because that seems to be the more common title, at least these days. Well, Hamiandochus vashin a kujichal. I hope that was useful. And Hamiandochus himi Gheibh. I hope to see you again soon. Cheery and drasta. Bye for now.